You can see the vessel, the one of the biggest Norwegian escape, which has come with around 2,000 odd seafarers. Among them, around 473 are our own Goan seafarers, who will be actually going home after completion of all the formalities of COVID test, and then they will be heading home after the test results are come as per the SOP. So this is one of the biggest ship which will be sailing from Goa to Mumbai, and currently there are almost 2,000 odd passenger ship crew on that. The Bombay people will be disembarking in Bombay, and thereafter it will go to Philippines. It is basically on a dropping route for the seafarers due to this COVID-19.